Hey guys, it's Gabby and welcome to my party. Welcome to 2022! For my first video this year, we're going to start with 3 easy sewing projects. I found 3 pieces of clothing in my closet that need to be tweaked just a little bit. And that's what we're gonna do. So let's get started. First, I got this t-shirt from my Lola. I love the color of this. It's like a light powder blue and it has this color. And it's giving me golf dad vibes. I just don't like how the bottom is. It's very plain. So I want to make it a little more modern, something I can wear every day by cropping it, of course.
First, I put on the top and marked where I wanted to crop. I measured a piece of 1-inch elastic around my waist, making sure to leave some room for comfort. With the measuring tape, I marked a little over 1 inch below the first mark I made. This space should fit the elastic. After marking all the way around the shirt, I cut the bottom off with my pinking shears. Using the elastic as a guide, I folded and pinned the bottom to create the tunnel. Make sure to leave a gap to feed the elastic through. Sew a zigzag stitch to connect the ends together. Lastly, close the gap with a straight stitch.
Next, I have this pair of men's trousers. It's khaki and I don't have khaki pants, so I really want to keep this. It doesn't fit me well because it's for men, but I want to make this into a pair of high-waisted jeans that fit me better.
I folded the pants in half, then laid a pair that fits me well over it. Make sure the seams are aligned. Starting where the zipper ends, I drew the new crotch line with my pants as a guide. Make sure the layers are flat before cutting. I placed the inner thigh seams together like so and stitched a new crotch line with a straight stitch. So now I need to trim the waist. I have to take it in from the sides to get rid of this weird crotch shape in front. I marked where the pants start to fit well on my legs. I measured 2 inches off the waist and connected that mark to the leg mark. Before sewing through the line, I took off the belt loop since it was in the way. Then I repeated that on the other side.
Our third and last DIY is this red floral dress. This is actually my mom's and it had sleeves before, but I replaced it with straps. But she asked me to adjust the straps, so I just need to take in maybe 1.5 inches from the straps.
The first step is to seam rip the straps. I marked 2 inches from the old stitch line. This is where I'll make the new stitch. I attach the straps back on the dress and that's it.
And those are the 3 DIYs we have for today. I hope that this inspired you to check your closet and maybe tweak something, make it a little different so that you could wear your clothes more. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next party. Bye! I love the color of it. It's so that you could wear your closet more.